They want that customer service. It's about that personal relationship. A salesperson should be able to sell anything. What the business has transpired into and kind of grown into is from single families to multifamilies to big packages to industrial buildings to commercial buildings. We sell businesses, the pizza place, the deli. We're working with sellers of all aspects. They want to work with us. That's what it comes down to. It's about that personal relationship. Could you hire a business broker to sell that? Sure. But you're going to get a better service from someone like myself who's used to working 24/7, who's used to being on call, who gives out their cell phone, who understands the financial implications of the P&L on how that relates to the buyer and the seller and what that looks like when you're selling a business. They want that customer service that they can get from me as a real estate agent. At the same time, they want it on the business side. So I think it's been a true testament to the service I provided for 11 years.